Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to regrip a golf club. First, gather your essential tools, including a vise, a hook blade, and grip solvent. Secure your club firmly in a vise, making sure to protect the shaft with a rubber clamp. Carefully remove the old grip and any remaining tape using your hook blade. This preparation ensures a clean surface for your new grip, making the next steps much smoother and more effective for a perfect finish. Once the shaft is clean, it's time to apply your new double-sided grip tape. Make sure the tape covers the entire area where the grip will sit. Leave a small overhang of about 1/4 of an inch at the butt end of the shaft. This overhang is crucial, twisted into the shaft opening. This simple step prevents grip solvent from entering the shaft, which could cause issues later on. Proper tape application is key for a secure and lasting grip. Now for the exciting part, installing your new grip. Liberally apply grip solvent inside the new grip and all over the double-sided tape on the shaft. Don't be shy with the solvent, it acts as a lubricant. Quickly slide the new grip onto the shaft, ensuring it's aligned straight. You'll have a short window, usually about 5 to 10 seconds, to make any final adjustments for perfect alignment before the solvent begins to dry. A straight grip is essential for consistent play. After installation, it's crucial to allow your new grip to dry completely. This usually takes at least 12 hours, so resist the urge to use your club too soon. Once dry, check the grip for any imperfections or loose areas to ensure it's perfectly secure. A well-installed grip significantly improves your feel and control on the course. Also, remember to stay hydrated during your rounds. For a great way to do that, check out the Ala water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals we've found for you. Enjoy your newly regripped club.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.